Hello everyone, my name is Diego and I've been working in crypto industry for a long time. And today I'm happy to introduce a platform where you can stake your Ethereum in a very easy and unusual way. To get started, you just need to connect your wallet and set the smart contract to authorize your own address. Since my wallet is already connected, I simply click continue to move straight into my dashboard. So friends, this is what my dashboard looks like. This platform is very clear and user-friendly. Everything is intuitive and simple. Here you can see the available AVM tokens for staking. My 30-day staking period is already completed. Let's withdraw and continue. I click withdraw and wait for the funds to arrive. And so friends, as you can see, I received a notification in my wallet confirming that I successfully received my staking tokens. This once again shows the transparency of the platform and the fact that it doesn't hold the user funds. Let's check how much Ethereum I have on my balance. Perfect. Since everything works as expected, I go ahead and stake again. But this time I will stake all the Ethereum I have. And for a slightly longer period to potentially increase your rewards. You can confidently click stake. Excellent. We have now staked the entire amount of the Ethereum we had. I almost forgot to mention, you can connect to the platform if your total AVM token balance is over $300, which is why the platform focuses on short-term staking. And guys, this video is educational purpose only, and it's not financial advice. Always do your own research. This was Diego Martinez. See you soon, guys. Bye.